Another handy feature is the ability to print or email a field map directly from your phone. If I would like to do that, simply select the boundary for the field to pull up the most recent map. Currently, I'm on a tank mix application of as applied rate, but potentially, maybe I would like to email the yield map from the previous year. And go under my map layers, look at 2019 and see I have a soybean harvest map from October 23rd. Select the arrow to view more field details. I can view dry yield, moisture, harvest speed, and other activities. In this case, I will select dry yield by selecting the bubble on the right-hand side. This will pull up my yield map for that field, and I can pull up my field details from the bottom of the screen. I also have the ability to look at different variety yields within that field if you were using Variety Locator. If I would like to share this information, I can simply select Share, and a report will be generated. In this case, I may want to print this report. I will get a preview at the bottom that shows what will be printed out for the report. In terms of a yield map, we can see start and end time, total bushels, average yield, moisture area, as well as average speed. Select the share button again at the top. You have the ability to text, email that specific report. If I was connected to a printer wirelessly, I could select printer, find printers that may be on my network, and then select print up in the top right to go ahead and print that report. Once complete, hit the cancel button.